Monitoring keyword rankings over time automatically can save you hours of manual work and give you insights into how your SEO efforts are paying off. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up so you can track your keyword performance without lifting a finger. First, you'll want to pick the right tool for automatic keyword tracking. There are many out there, but I've tested most of the popular ones, and after using them extensively, I've found that Toolname stands out for its reliability, ease of use, and in-depth reporting. In the description, you'll find an exclusive free trial link just for viewers of my channel, so you can follow along with me in this video. Once you've signed up and logged into your tool, start by connecting your website. The tool will ask for your domain and the keywords you want to monitor. Choose keywords relevant to your business and your target audience, and make sure you're tracking a mix of short and long-tail keywords. You'll want to monitor keywords that represent both the foundation of your site and niche-specific terms. The next step is to set up your tracking schedule. You can usually set how frequently you want to get updates on your rankings, daily, weekly, or monthly. For most businesses, weekly tracking strikes a good balance between keeping an eye on changes and not being overwhelmed with data. Once your schedule is set, the tool will automatically track your rankings and let you know if you're improving or slipping. What's amazing is that the tool can also give you competitive insights. It tracks how your competitors are ranking for the same keywords, so you can spot gaps in your strategy and identify areas where you might be falling behind. This competitive data is invaluable for refining your approach. After the setup, you'll get detailed reports sent directly to your email or dashboard, depending on the tool. These reports will show you not just the ranking for each keyword, but also how that position has changed over time. This is essential for spotting trends, especially when you're running campaigns or working on improving SEO. Another useful feature in most tools is the ability to track SERP features, things like snippets, images, and maps. These give you even more insights into how your content is performing in different search result formats. Remember, keyword rankings fluctuate, so don't panic if your rankings dip a little after some updates. Tools like Toolname can help you quickly identify why this happens, whether it's due to a competitor's SEO efforts or changes in Google's algorithm. It's always a good idea to monitor this closely. The key takeaway here is that monitoring keyword rankings over time automatically is an essential part of any successful SEO strategy. It allows you to track performance without getting bogged down in manual updates. The main steps are picking the right tool, setting up your keywords, and regularly checking in on your rankings. Before I close off, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of Toolname in the description below so you can start automating your keyword ranking tracking today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.